Okay, folks, I just got the call and somebody had some glue on their car and they tried removing it themselves. So I believe they took sandpaper to each piece of glue rather than using a simple solvent or glue remover. Like they haven't touched these ones yet, but these ones right here are screwed up. So watch the process as I bring this back and try to save these guys a paint job. All right, so here's the after on this polish, the one that the person had a bunch of glue on and color sanded and it had those big white spots. So looking a lot better. We're in business.